Alright, thanks for tuning into my tutorial on templates. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments, and thanks for watching. Elementor, how to use templates. Templates are extremely powerful in Elementor because you don't have to be a designer with these templates. The designers make them for you, and the professionals lay them out for you so that you don't have to. So let's make a new page. And let's call it templates. I'm going to make the page no sidebar, full width stretched, and I'll disable those two things. I'm going to open it with Elementor, and you'll see you have a blank page. Here you're going to make a section from scratch. Here's where you use the templates. This right here are the page templates. And there are pro versions where you pay for, and the non-pro versions where you get for free. You can click the page to preview what the page looks like. If that's looking good to you, then just insert it into your page. This inserts the entire page template into your page. So you'll see now you have every single section from that page. If you don't want one of these sections, you just click the X. And if you want that section back, just go to History and bring it back. So you can go through those templates and get ideas for even more sections. So once you fill in your the information on your page and you still have more information to include, say like a contact section, you would click the plus, click the page templates, and now we're going to insert a section from this page. You have to insert the entire page, and now we're going to get to the section that we wanted, this guy here, and I'll erase all of the other sections. Now you might have to change the font to match up with the font on the other sections, but it still gives you a very powerful way of getting ideas for adding more content to your pages. Likewise, if you want to save a section for another page of yours, say in your About page, and you want to keep the theme consistent, you can save a section as a template. So you would right click that, click Save as Template, save it for About, and that will save that blue box from the blue tab all the way down to its ending. So now when you're in your other page and you want to insert that into your page, you can go to the folder, go to My Templates this time. Here it is right here, insert it. So now you've been able to put in a section from the template, and you can save them as your own and then go ahead and put them in other pages. So these templates are amazing. You can browse them if you want. You just click the plus wherever you want to insert a section, and you find another one that's free, insert it. Or if you have the Pro, just if you upgrade, you have even more options. So now you have some more ideas on how to add content to your page. Again, the color schemes are a little different and the fonts are a little different, but if you set your color picker here, you can easily change all of these from the template. Like, you click this Edit Column, and then once you click the color picker, these are your default colors. So you can easily change those. Edit Column, Color. Here's your color picker. So you can easily change any template into your color scheme. You just go here to the three lines, go to color picker, and you set those colors here, and those will be with you no matter what color you need to change, whether it's this button, you go to the style of the button, background color, and then these are your theme colors, so you can easily change those. It has a hover of purple, so I click hover, change it to green, whatever you want. So these are super simple and very powerful, because you don't have to do all the work. You just need to have an idea of what your website's going to look like, and then use the template to sort of make your idea come to life. It's a wonderful thing that they've done with these free sections, free pages. I hope you like this tutorial, and stay tuned for more info on the basics of Elementor. Thanks.